This is Atcam CNC machine 1325 from Jinan, China. This machine is exclusively one of the best machines ever. I've never regretted buying this machine. It has done a lot of good and it has increased in the production. It has made work easier with high quality motors and it's very quick in acceleration. It works without any faults. Since we bought it, it's about a year and going to 1 and 2 months. Yes, 1 year, 2 months. We have never recorded any issue with this machine. It has worked so perfectly that it has produced more than $600. It has produced more than $600. Every day it produces about $8 to $15 a day, depending on the design complexity. And this machine has given us a hope and guarantee that Atcam machines are the best currently in the market. And I will never choose any other machine than Atcam machine. It's first and second to none. There's no other than Atcam 1325T machine. It works without any defect. It's very silent. It's very speedy, and it's very easy to work with. With its NC Studio software attached, there's nothing that you can go without using it. The comfortability in using it is top notch.